So friends, today we learn about how to register for AWS certification. First, you need to search VUE/AWS. After this, you need to click on first website here. Here you need to accept all cookies, then continue to log in. After that, new page is opening. You need to select this option create or sign in. Yes. Enter here your email ID, then continue. After that, you need to enter your name here. Then continue. 6-digit OTP will be received on your email ID. You need to enter here. Then continue. After that, you need to create your password. Confirm your password. Then continue. Accept terms and conditions. Here you need to read all these documents. After that, click on tick box and submit. Name, check your name. Your name must match to your government ID. Then confirm your name. Country. Here I am entering India because I am from India. India. Yes. After this, address. Then city, Pune. State, Maharashtra. Then here you need to enter a code. After that, phone number. Then update address. Here you need to answer some questions. Your role, primary language, education, years of experience you have. Then here you need to select yes, I am. Then subscribe to AWS certification. Yes, update. Recovery email. Here you need to enter your recovery email ID. Some you need to answer some question. Then update. Now exam registration. Select exam registration option. Here you need to schedule your exam. Schedule. Then mode of exam. I'm selecting here online. For online examination, you need four things: your computer, your testing space, your ID, and you need to schedule before 30 minutes. Then next, what is your preference language? I'm selecting English. Then next, need to read all these things, then only tick. After that, agree. Proctor language, English. Next, then confirm your preferred time zone. Yes. Then select your date here. Select your date. I'm selecting for and select your appointment. From here you can take a schedule. You can book a slot. Booking slot. Then book this appointment. Payment method. Here you need to enter voucher, or you can directly payment through card. We also provide all types of vouchers. If you need any type of voucher, you can directly comment on our video. I'm entering voucher. Then apply. Next, submit order. Here the exam registration is done. If you like this video or want more video like that, you can subscribe our channel.